Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to talk about how you can turn off age restriction in Discord server. So let's proceed with the video. At first you need to go to settings, and then from here you'll get an option called privacy and safety. So you have to click here, and here you have to look for a specific option by scrolling down. You can see allow access to age restricted commands from apps in DMs, and you have to turn this on. This option will allow to access all bots and apps to access 18+ commands which are marked as age restricted. So this was that simple. If you liked the video, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.